Today we're doing a barbecue edition. You got your micronutrients with your vegetables, you got some complex carbohydrate to fuel your upcoming workout, you got some tofu for your protein. Alright guys, welcome to another Fit Vegan cooking video. Today we're doing a barbecue edition. So we rented this beautiful Airbnb in Lake Arrowhead and they have a barbecue outside, which we've never made. I don't think we ever made a video using a barbecue.
And it's a smoker barbecue.
And it's a smoker. I had to chat GPT how to use it and put the pellets and all that stuff because I've never done that. I'm used to the old school propane tank. So what we got today for the ingredients, actually Ivy's gonna go over it because that's your job every video.
I'm the ingredient queen.
All right, my ingredient queen, tell me what we're doing.
We're going to use some firm tofu. So we got about 2 blocks of it for tonight.
Yeah, and those are pre-cut as well.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Nice. And then bell peppers, we got the orange and the green one. We're going to grill this, bad boys. Some sweet potato.
For some complex carbs.
Yes. Our half onion that was used.
That Ivy doesn't like onions.
Earlier. So that's all maximum. Really big eggplant.
Clip that. And then we found this barbecue sauce. It's called Bone Suckin Good, but it actually used vegan ingredients in it, and they recommend to put it on plant-based products. I just thought the name was intriguing. So what we're gonna do now is chop up our veggies. And I got the grill started and we'll show everyone the beautiful view outside. All right guys, so we opened our pack of tofu. We're gonna have four steaks of tofu. We got our eggplant right here. We're just gonna cut slices like this. Not too, we don't want to put it too thin because else it's gonna burn on the barbecue. That is a really big eggplant. We're eating a lot of veggies tonight. We can use the leftover for a different dish here. So we got our eggplants on here on the plate. We have our bell pepper. So honestly, I'm just gonna cut it in half like this.
Okay.
And grill it here. And then same thing with this guy here. We're just gonna cut it in half. It'll be easier to grill this way. Now for sweet potatoes, just wanna cut the edges. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it in half. I'm gonna put this bad boy on the grill. Again, this is a quick, nice meal. And while all that's on the barbecue and the smoker, we're gonna enjoy nature outside. Look at this beautiful plate of vegetables and carbohydrates. All right, we'll check in with you guys once we're outside. All right guys, gonna put these bad boys on here. Put them up here, because the sweet potatoes take a little bit longer to cook. And we'll put them at the top. And then our eggplants are gonna be pretty quick, so we'll put these guys right here. That's what a proper Fit Vegan barbecue should look like. Smells like camping, and I love it. All right, we're just waiting on the tofu from Ivy, and then we're gonna add that to the grill. So, we got our massive tongues here. We're starting to grill a little bit. Oh, it's looking good. I'm getting some eggplant cooking action. Look at this guy, that's a big piece. Yeah, the veggies are gonna go pretty quick. And we'll move these over to the side. Just put some onions here. So I have a little bit of onion for myself. Oh, yeah, it's slippery. I'm gonna turn it down a little bit. There you go. All right, guys, so we just have to wait for the barbecue to cook everything, do all the job.
Yeah.
You excited?
Yes, I like smoky, smelly barbecue.
Yeah, so you guys all know that this year Ivy and I committed to doing a bit more camping. So we've been camping like 2-3 times already.
Twice, yeah.
Yeah, cooking over the fire. It smells like my childhood. I absolutely love it. And as you can see behind us, we're in lovely Lake Arrowhead. And it is absolutely stunning. I'll show you guys the house real quick. I don't know if I'll be able to catch it all on camera. But it's a A-frame house. Look at this. Oh, that's the best part of it. All right, I've been recording some podcast videos in here, but yeah, it's absolutely stunning. Here you guys get a little house tour. It's beautiful. So, if you guys like us to make cooking videos in different locations, let us know in the comment section below because we definitely love traveling and trying new spots. So this has definitely been a treat to prepare food in a different house.
Battery grows on tree here.
Yeah, batteries grow on tree here. There's a battery on the tree here. All right, let's look at this guy. Look at that, that's a proper vegan barbecue. People think you need steak or bacon on this thing. All you need is some veggies, no heart disease, no heart attack.
Should we flip it?
Yeah, go for it. You be the barbecue master, I trust you.
You just want me to
Look at Ivy in action.
Uh-oh.
Is it stuck?
Yeah. Oh,
That's why you have a spatula.
I got it. Watch. Woo!
Oh, master chef. So as you guys know, we never claim to be chefs or cooking experts. We're just making it up as we go. So this is gonna be our high protein pre-workout meal before we hit the gym today. All right, guys, I believe our food is ready. I forgot one piece of the bell pepper, so it got really grilled. So I forgot that guy, but it's still gonna taste delicious. Look at that tofu. It looks so good. All right, we got our bell pepper looking toasty. We got our onion. It smells so good. Look at these eggplants.
Yum. It smells like camping.
It does smell like camping. All right, so this guy. All right, we're gonna take the food out. We're gonna leave the sweet potatoes a little bit longer in there because they take a bit longer. Look at that, look at that. Oh, I wish you guys could smell this. Honestly, there you go. Put the pieces of tofu in here. Look at this stuff. It looks so great. We're gonna add more barbecue sauce on top of it. Yeah, all right. So we will check in with you guys inside once we plate these guys properly. All right, guys, so there you have it, our delicious dinner. As you saw by the close-up shot, it looks incredible. So we're actually gonna dive into it.
I like that there's line, like grilled.
Yeah, oh yeah. Oh, look at that. The like skin of the tofu. I'm gonna get a little bit of red onion in here. You can smell the smoke.
That's good.
There's a crunchiness.
Smell.
Yeah.
Smoky.
Obviously, like the sugars inside the onion, inside the sweet potato, have come out when we're putting on the barbecue. So there's a little bit of crystallization that took place. It tastes incredible. Let's go tofu with a sweet potato.
I love that smoky taste to it.
Yeah.
Bell pepper's so good.
Ooh, sweet potato was hot. Very good.
This is really good and easy and fast. Oh, fast.
Getting high in volume. You got your micronutrients with your vegetables. You got some complex carbohydrate to fuel your upcoming workout. You got some tofu for your protein. You have the delicious barbecue sauce on top of it. Obviously, you can put any sauce that you want to, but you know, we're in September and we won't be able to spend too much time outdoors for those of you that don't live in California. I grew up in Quebec, Canada on the east side, and it's starting to get a little bit, you know, on the colder side, but I live in LA now. I don't have to worry. I can barbecue in December, but we want it to be more flexible with our cooking videos. So if you guys enjoy these cooking videos, let us know in the comment section below if there's any specific recipes you'd like us to make, to either make it plant-based, make it higher in plant-based protein, to help you with the purpose of improving your body composition. Let us know in the comment section below and subscribe to the YouTube channel because we'd love to hit 25,000 subscribers before the end of the year. And if we do, Ivy will get a nice gift.
Subscribe, please.
So if you want Ivy to get a nice gift, subscribe to the channel. All right, any last thoughts you want to end on?
This is actually really good and light, considering it's a lot of food.
Yeah.
As you've noticed, you split it into half.
I'm gonna eat half of Ivy's plate plus my plate. That's what's gonna happen. Because we're gonna go work out after this. So we appreciate you guys. Thank you for tuning in and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.